Welcome guys. In this chapter, we are going to see CSS colors and its types. Here you can see we have a boilerplate code and let me get its preview. And this is our preview for this page. And here you can see I have listed few different types of color. Our first common type is a named color. Before that, let me create some HTML div and then two as a heading 1 and then some paragraph. So let me generate some boilerplate code 20. Okay, and here we go. Now we can color this element as, let me get the ID as section 1. Okay, and now we can basically update the color of section 1 like section 1 and then h2 as probably color as red. And when we did this, you can see our heading 1 is updated to red color. Similarly, we can change the color of our paragraph as section 1 and then paragraph and then use the named color as probably brown. Okay, here you go. So this way we can use the common color name for the CSS. You can get all the CSS in this URL. Okay, here you can see. So basically we have some 16 standard color like black, silver, gray, white, maroon, green, lime, olive, and we have some 150 plus uncommon or non-standard color which are basically like Alice blue, aqua, beige, blue violet, burley wood, etc. Now let's see the another module, RGB module. Let me comment it out and then copy paste the same style as here, and instead of this time giving red, let me use the RGB model. Okay, so basically the RGB color model defines the color in the combination of three primary colors, that is red, green and blue, with each color value ranging from 0 to 256. For example, if I give 256, 256 and 256, you can see our H2 is white, and if I give 0, 0 and 0, then it is black. You can get the color names through this link. Here you can see it's a RGB calculator, and if I choose probably this and then this and probably like violet, okay, then I have to give 156, 160 and 254. Let me use this 156, 160 and then 254, and let me see the preview. You can see my heading color has been changed. Similarly, for paragraph we can use different color like blue. Okay, and then this is like RGB. Okay, 58, 160 and then 254, and my paragraph color has been changed to that particular color. The third model is the extension of the second model, that is RGBA, which is red, green, blue and alpha. In this model we can select the transparency of the color. For example, let me comment this out and paste here. Now if we choose a very dark color here, okay, suppose this 27, 37 and 98, okay, then our heading is dark, but this time I will specify the fourth value, which is alpha, that determines our transparency level, which ranges from 0 to 1. 0 means full transparency like this and 1 means zero transparency. We can choose the some values to select the appropriate transparency level. For example, here I have choose 0.5 and now our transparency is bit different. Similarly, I can choose 0.3 and then you can see this is bit transparent. The next color model is the hexadecimal model where we choose the hexadecimal number which is base 16 value of the color. Let's see how it goes. Let me comment it out and now paste it, and instead of RGBA here we give some values like this 0000 FF, and then here you can see it's basically blue, and 0 FF 0000, and here we have red. So basically these are the combination of some hexadecimal values. You can find the hex value of color in this page. Here you can see the hex value of Alice blue. The black is 000, the blue is we have used already, and then brown is this. Let me use this, and now if I basically update my paragraph color value to this one, then the color is updated. Finally, the HSL model, which is very uncommon, it defines the color in the combination of three values, which is hue, saturation, and lightness. Let's check the value, and here you can see we have the HSL calculator. If you see this one, and then if you just select this, then hue is 89, and then S is like 65, and then lightness if you choose 20, then you get this kind of color. And you just copy this and let me paste here and paste here, just comment it out. Then we have HSL here, just update this now and save it. You basically get the same color. Similarly for paragraph, if you want to select a different one and then probably select this, then copy this and then update this color, and you get the updated color. So that's all in this chapter. I hope you enjoyed learning the CSS color and its different types. See you in the next chapter.